Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about a specific jammer named Null. Now as you can see, he looks pretty normal. He looks like a normal jammer and all that stuff. But there's something about this jammer that's weird. So everybody said he was a hacker, I guess, who hacked his name into the system. It says more than 30 days. Supposedly, he got banned for this and unbanned himself. But literally, something that's really creepy was 2 seconds ago. Literally, you know him for him wearing his police hat, right? Where'd his police hat go? Literally, I just looked at him like 2 seconds ago. Like, sometimes if you click on someone, it says Null's Den. But, yeah. Some people say, oh my gosh, what the heck is going on here? But some people say, everybody just thinks he's like a creepy hacker. I don't know about him, but overall, he's pretty creepy. Null is just a character. Now the thing is, I think these rumors are not true. He did not unban himself or hack in really any way. I feel like he's just a jammer who had rumors thrown around, and then it just ended up that the glitch happened. They just chose a random jammer that said, see, look, Null's Den. If we can see, it says Null's Den. Null's Den right there. It says Null's Den, but when I go to follow her, she's in this girl's den, not Null's. So I'm a little creeped out. But I'm going to check out Null again. But now Null is a member, which is so creepy. I feel like he's playing. He's a member. This is more than 30 days. But I feel like he's always playing. And this game is just a big glitch. Or guys, can I tell you my theory that he is just a hacker? He uses codes and yeah. He just uses his little codes and all that stuff to make it look like all that stuff is happening, when in reality he's using harmless codes. It's either a glitch or he is using just some harmless codes. AJHQ hasn't noticed yet. They're not looking, but here's the change between a member and if we find a non-member, we will. Oh, I'm surprised. If we to Majama Township and we click on Mango Pop, see, like this, and then if we click on Cheetahs and Cheetos, as you can see, it has that banner around it. So Null sort of creeps me out. I feel like he's just a hacker, but if you send him a buddy request, don't think he's gonna hack you. He can't. He doesn't have he would have already been permanently banned if he was hacking everybody. It's just him using his little hacks. Him using his hacks. It's literally just him using his hacks to be remembered. Using hacks. Look, Null's Den. And then, so it's literally just him using some hacks. And he did not get banned by AJHQ. They are you know what? This is harmless. He's just going into the coding a bit. And yeah. But I don't think AJHQ has actually noticed about null. They're not really into the hackers unless like someone like F-Man. But now if you can't make a username F-Man anymore. But people are making like literally you can't make the username F-Man or you will get, it'll be like, this username is, you can't use it. So null isn't that creepy of a hacker. Don't be fooled by him. Oh my god, what the heck? Don't be fooled by him. He's not. What? Well, my chat isn't working, I think. Also, don't steal the pie. The pie is like a spike, which is a true fact. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my talk about null and how he is remotely just someone who hacked into the coding that AJHQ hasn't figured out about, and just a normal jammer who just hacked into the coding, or AJHQ who hacked into the coding, or AJHQ just put a big glitch on this jammer. I think it's the first answer because, yeah, some people just have codes that AJHQ cannot figure out. Everybody's making videos on who null is and all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys just enjoy this video on null, but don't make a separate account of null if you accidentally send a buddy request to null, because he will not hack you. Even if it does say he's played less than 30 days, he can't hack you. He doesn't have the right tools. And AJHQ is usually literally all over people who have the right hacking tools. They're like all over that for anyone who has hacking tools and has hacked before. But if it's just like minor little hacks, like you're changing colors or you're walking on the wall, like I posted that glitch, that means AJHQ is not going to come to you and ban you. I mean, I think the thing is he just got suspended maybe for a few days, but yeah. I think what happened, guys, here's my theory. He did all his little hacks, and then when AJHQ found out about it, they were like, you know what, we're not hurting him because he's not hacking or anything. No, he's not hacking any jammers. He's just doing these little things. I don't know. But this was most likely so many years ago that this happened, when they didn't really have that really big rule into place. Now they ban jammers, whatever. They're like, okay, we'll just give him a suspension for a bit, and then that threw around to some rumors. But then when he was able to come back online, his glitches were still into place. So when those glitches were still in the place, it just looks like that. It just looks like that overall. Overall, the story is just sort of creepy, and it's literally just a bunch of rumors thrown down. Yeah, that he did these hacks, and when he came back after a suspension, week suspension, he got his niceness done. His hacks still are in there, but he still plays, but his hacks are still in there. So literally he's just a jammer. He can't hack anybody, or he would have gotten a full ban. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video on this man. Bye.